If your PC is constantly chiming and distracting you with the pop-ups, I'm going to show you how to change that. The first method is the don't disturb. If you have the fastest way to stop the noise to don't disturb, just click into the date and the time that appears directly into your computer. When you click directly inside here, all the notifications will go straight to the center without making a sound popping out on the screen. It's perfect for meeting into works. Just make sure that you click into the element here into the upper side. So just like that, the don't disturb is going to be appearing as on. Now, something else that you can do, for example, what if you still want email alerts but wanted to block everything else? So for this, we need to do this manually. So I'm going to focus for the element that says settings. If you didn't find settings, it's going to be appearing directly into the search bar. Let's go for settings or into the Windows start element. Down here into settings, let's go for system. Now into systems, let's click into the element that says notifications. Here, for example, what I want to be doing here, you can turn off notifications entirely, right? And let's scroll down to see the list of every application into your PC. And just select the one that you wanted to get started with. And just like that, it will be now appearing directly inside this element and you're actually good to go. Now, a pro tip that I can give you is that if you want Windows to handle this for you, you want to search for the clocked application into the search bar. So here into the clocked application, of course, make sure that you can open the focused session. Now, the focused session can be helping you to understand a little bit more about how you can actually hide taskbar batches, even integrate with Shopify, play focus music, and the ultimate productivity hack. So all of this can be now available into your computer. So with this being said, guys, we have reached the very end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.